Hi friends, this is Irene. Welcome to my channel Everyday English Vocabulary. I hope everyone doing great. Today I am here with 5 more vocabularies. So let's start. List of vocabularies are amazed, among, analysis, ancient, anger. Amazed, amazed, amazed. It's mean very surprised. Very surprised. Its opposite word is unimpressed. It means not feeling that someone or something is very good or special. For example, we were absolutely amazed at his rapid recovery. Among, among, among. It means in or through the middle of a group of people or things. In or through the middle of a group of people or things. Its opposite word is from. Its mean as in, out of. For example, the girl quickly disappeared among the crowd. Analysis. Analysis. Analysis is mean a careful examination of something in order to understand it better. A careful examination of something in order to understand it better. Its opposite word is thinking. Its mean opinion or idea as about something. For example, they were doing some type of statistical analysis. Ancient. 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 It means belonging to the very distant past and no longer in existence. Belonging to the very distant past and no longer in existence. Its opposite word is modern. It means belonging to the present time or most recent time. For example, the great forest in an ancient, vast and very varied woodland. Anger. 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 It means an intense emotional state of displeasure with someone or something. An intense emotional state of displeasure with someone or something. Its opposite word is delight. It means a source of great satisfaction. For example, his face was suddenly filled with anger. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and stay connected with me. Thank you so much. Bye bye.